unfortunately, I blew my account. So I'm gonna be restarting here. I'm gonna try to get to the evaluation to like get past the evaluation is 1250. So that's my new target goal, which is 250 more than the last one. So yeah. So starting off, what did previous session do? So market open, price just started dumping, dump, 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 dump. Right. So that's what it basically did, but then of course it found its resistance. Nasdaq went below 29,002. So then it just rallied into the close, really, basically. So it came higher. It closed higher than market open. So this right here is a good area of interest right here. But then Asian just slowly built up. European, then London, and then London slowly started to come down right here. This is So that's basically what happened overnight. Again, it could have been a fail right here, but it didn't. So this is a good area of interest around the 420 area. And this is originally where price came from right here. So now let's go over liquidity. So this is marked out. That's the intraday high. Previous day high does not matter. Shouldn't matter. Yeah. So that's the intraday high. And you got the market open high, which is right here. Now intraday low, so this was after 3, so intraday low, which it just made a new intraday low. Which is good. It's good. Made a new intraday low right about here. I'll still mark it out. And then this is the previous day low right here. So this is all like the big liquidity, right? Psychological levels, we have 75 right here. Let's just go down to, let's go up to 400. Let's put this purple. Yeah. So there's 425. Let's just mark out 450. And we could do 425. Or 3. No, that's fine. So that's everything marked out. So pretty much on what I have to see. Well, first of all, is this a good long? So do you have range and candle expansion? Yes, we do. Very nice. Extend it all the way down. Okay, nice. Wicks, yes. This wick came quite nicely below this candle right here. Great, check. Liquidity, intraday, low right here. Is it in the middle of a range? Yes, it is. That's the only thing that sucks about it. Like, this is the whole range, basically is in the middle of it. Alright, so the range, like it's around 400 is the middle of the range here. I'm working between two of the 50s. So realistically, it is kind of in the middle of that range. I've taken many of these trades before. The new intraday low is pretty significant. But if anything, I'm only looking for shorts today because we came up. Oh, did we make equal? We made equal highs here. Okay, so we made equal highs, so never flip that. I mean, so price always comes or most of the time actually grabs those equal highs or equal lows, whatever it is. So those equal highs are a real target, and that's we just basically came up to all-time highs, went down. Okay, what did we go down to? Really go down to anything crazy, just intraday high, or intraday low. So it's not really that significant. I feel like we're gonna want to move a little more down. So yeah, I'll update whether it goes down to 400s. If it pulls back to market open high, I'm looking for shorts. But yeah, I'll update. Okay, so price came all the way down to psychological level of 7,400. So now, is this a good long? Well, candle and range expansion. Boom, 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 boom. Little pause. Boom. I'm gonna risk right here though. So that's too much risk. So I'm not gonna can't take this trade no matter what. Wicks. But not bad, right? But yeah, and then grabbed it's below intraday low. It grabbed psychological level at 7,400. It's not. Well, it kind of still is, but it's still possible, and it's not in the consolidation. So this would be a good trade if it not were for this big giant honker of a candle. So see. So it's actually valid on the 4-minute. I only trade 5-minute though, so it's a problem, but I would be risking. That's the biggest thing. I'm risking. Yeah, I'm not. So no, I'm not gonna take that trade. It's too much risk. Basically, what I'm doing here is I'm just going through potential trades I see, and then I pretend like I take it, and keep my profits, keep my losses in my own head. I'm starting with a 25,000K account, but in my own head. So yeah, we'll see. But too much risk. That's 13.25 points because I leave 1 point of risk right here, and usually I get in 0.25 points above. Usually. But yeah, right now I'm just looking for. Here's the thing. I just grabbed 7,400. Is this the turning point for price? I don't know. But if it comes up above market open high, then I'm willing to go short, right? Expecting more of a dump right here, especially with the inflation risk and everything right now. So, yeah. Technically it's valid right here, but I want update. Okay, so definitely not, because it's a lot of risk right here, right? So let's start making its way back up. A nice big candle right here, followed by a little one, but it's came above market open high. So am I willing to go short? Well, first, liquidity. Yes, you know, liquidity right here. Failed to come above this high of 625. Looks pretty good. We got a lot downside, right? Okay, great. Oops, that is Nasdaq. Okay, great. Wicks, nice wick right here. Hopefully it closes like that. Range and candle expansion is the only one that's a little, because we see a slow move up, right? This isn't that good, right? Then we have boom, move up, boom. I think this is candle and right there. It has to be a very good candle close right here for me to want to take this, because this isn't like anything crazy. It's just like, this was a nice candle, right? This bullish candle, this actually came above and closed above. So that's expansion. Boom, expanded. Little stall. Boom, expanded. So yes, I'm willing to take a short. So I'll update if I actually do take this short. If not, then there's next levels. I mean, psychological level, all-time high. This is basically not that much significant. So we'll see what happens. Okay, let's see how this closes. Okay, that's a good close. So looking for a flush here. 6.5. So I'm gonna do 5 right here if it comes below. I'm gonna do 2 at 5, 2 at 10, and then hold off. So I'll have to see what happens. Alright, so not just because it's pumping up right now, even if it dumps, but I actually kind of realized that this isn't range expansion. I classified this as like a nice push up, but it's just like this candle. I need to see more, so this doesn't count. And I made that decision when it was like right here, so I'm not gonna count it. I'll let myself off for it. It's just because this candle kind of like came above and then right here and then nice, but it needs to be more prominent, and so I'm not gonna take this trade. So yeah. Okay, so here we have price. So right here, of course, didn't enter the trade because just did. Then we come up here, come up. This isn't really range expansion. I mean, it really isn't. Plus, did we grab anything? Did we come above? I guess we did, but it still wasn't like right because we consolidated and then we just had a random push up. Like, I need to see good candles, so didn't see that there. Okay, keep going. Okay, this is just a bunch of sloppy whatever. This is not real. So boom, 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 boom. Okay, nice, but didn't get anything. Okay, right. Oh, right here. Boom, boom, boom. So now what I'm looking for is a reversal. This candle just closes a doji, which I don't like. but this 15-minute candle could still close pretty good. So we'll see what happens here. Let's see if this candle makes. Okay, so equal high so far. No matter what, I won't take this trade unless it comes up. Yeah, we'll have to see, but I'll update. So yeah, price is just pumping right now. So looking for reversal, possible target 47 or 7475 or 7500 possibly, but all I'm looking for is that nice reversal. Nasdaq still below. Still below intraday high. Probably will sweep it soon. But yeah, looking for a reversal right now. I don't know if you noticed, but Loki kind of cracked up one night. Okay, so we have this trade right here, 5-minute rejected, nice expanded candles, wicks, yes, but is it equal though? That's the thing. But it rejected so hard to the point where, I want to take this short. Failed to come above the psychological level. But it's equal highs though, basically. So yeah, it's an equal high, so I'm not gonna take it. Literally what, 0.25 points off, so I'm not gonna take that. Still potential short on the 15-minute if this pumps up, but then my minimum risk would be actually not that bad, but yeah, not gonna take this trade. It's an equal high, so it's not like technically an equal high, but it basically is, or almost is. So yeah, we'll see what happens. It came really close for psychological level too. The thing that makes me want to really take this is that Nasdaq just swept all-time highs. So yeah, and then Nasdaq is also really close to. It's a little bit up, but 500. So we'll see what happens, but yeah, I'm not going to be taking this trade, so I'll take. Okay, so price didn't quite deliver here, but then pumped up even more. 15-minute valid. Range expansion, yes. Wicks, yes. Looks like a good trade, so I'll take it. Risking. So I'll put 5 on this. So yeah, we'll see what happens. It's valid, so we'll see what happens out there. Okay, so doing this again, but thing is, a lot of times when it pumps like this, it usually just keeps going until the close and then comes down. So even though it's valid, you live and you learn. I'll take the hit for whatever happens here, so we'll see. Okay, so I entered it, right, and I got 5 points here. 10 points is that purple line marked out right there. Took it on the 15-minute. Actually, that's a little. So that's 10 points. Should be 10 points. Right now, price is pumping. Might hit my stop. My stop. Right here. So that's my stop. See what happens. But already locked in 5 points. So I got 3 micros going. Just already locked in 2, that's 10. At 5, that's 50. So if I lose this, which I'm risking 6.5. 6.5 at 3 is 15. 15 times 6, 90. Let's say 90. Let's say 100. So if I lose this, I lose 100. Or I lose $50 total. So I already locked in a little bit. So it's not as bad as it would be. But hoping for a 10 point. Oh, that's what it was. I'm so stupid. 0.25 for it's an 8, so that is my second take profit, and then third I'm just gonna hold on until I see a signal to stop holding it. But yeah, I won't update, but that's how it's looking right now. So yeah. But tomorrow when I post again, I'll let you know. But overall, good day. Good day of following rules and trading. Proud of myself for that.